Hey guys, Alex here. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be unboxing my new Razer wireless barracuda-X gaming headset. Okay, so I'm not going into gaming. Even though we had a gaming cafe before, I don't play any online games. I bought this headset primarily because I do Zoom interviews on my channel and I have a podcast in the afternoon. And my problem with my Bluetooth headset is that it dies on me after an hour. And I have a pair of AirPods and they just don't last that long. So since back-to-back na yung interviews ko, meron pang podcast that goes over an hour, that's why I decided to get another headset, and this was what my husband bought for me. So Jong, he's really a tech guy, he's IT, so he's the one who does research and buys all of my vlogging equipment. Actually, I'm gonna tell you a little secret. I am reshooting this vlog, and not only this vlog, but like 10 other content that I made, Alex, because I mistakenly put in the audio jack in the wrong output. So, nag-e-echo yung audio ko sa last 10 pieces of sit-down vlogs that I shot. So, eto na. Vlogger life. So, you have to do what you need to do. So, reshoot na to. And I actually already threw away the box. So, I'm just gonna use B-rolls that I shot last time to show you the unboxing process of this new headset. So there are two main reasons why I got this one. First, it looks very clean and sleek. It's white. I love white. Almost all my gadgets are white. 70% of my clothes are white. And there's just something about the color that's so fresh and clean. I just love it. I also like the design. It's not like, the other gaming headsets that's either too big, like they swallow up your face, or they're black, or like this colorful design, which I don't like since I prefer white. And the ear cups are also oblong in shape and they're slightly angled to match the natural angle of your ears. So the cushions use Razer's Flow Knit Memory Foam, which makes for a really soft, breathable, and comfortable headset. The clamping force is solid, but there's no pressure on, the rims of my ears. The design is clean and sleek, and I love how the logo is in white and it doesn't stand out because I'm not a gamer. I just use this for my interviews and my podcast. So just look at this headset. See? Isn't it so pretty and so sleek? And these cushions, they're really so comfortable, these ones. So you can use them for hours and you won't get a headache. And look at the logo. So I'm gonna switch it on. So the logo is here. You can't even really see it, see? Can't see it since it's in white. So there's a logo here which is not really visible on screen. Okay, just check out this sleek, clean design. I love it so much. Blurry na siya. Okay, so this is what it looks when I wear it. So super clean looking design. I love that it's white. I was actually considering getting the pink one because it comes in white or pink. So I was gonna get the pink. But I thought that I wanted to use this long term. And baka if I get the pink one after a couple of months, ayoko na sa color. So at least with white, I know that I will love it for a long time. Because as I mentioned, I love white. All my gadgets are white. A lot of my clothes and stuff are in white. So yung second reason is it has 20 hours of battery life. So the Razer Barracuda is plug and play with multiple devices. It can be used wirelessly on your PC, PlayStation, and Android device. It can also be used in wired mode through its universal 3.5mm analog cable that works with any device with a 3.5mm port. So pwede wired, pwede din wireless. So for me, I use wireless because ayoko na merong wire. But if you want to use it in wired mode, you can also do that. And that's it for today's vlog. Just really want to share with you my newest gadget with this headset. I'm pretty sure I won't have to worry about my headset dying on me. I mean, 20 hours of battery life. I can hear my guests' answers crisp and clear. What more can you ask for from a headset? That's it for today's video. I hope you liked this video. I know it's not your usual real estate content, but still, I just also want to share the gadgets that I'm using, bits and pieces of my life with you apart from real estate, although this is still connected to real estate. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!